Hello, and thank you for taking time to watch today. I'm Kelly McLaughlin from Allegheny County Conservation District, and I'm presenting on how to effectively file environmental complaints in Allegheny County. Please check out our website for other available webinars, presentations, and digital materials ACCD will be developing and posting in the coming year. Identifying the issue will help you to communicate the complaint clearly to an agency. Think through what you want to communicate before you file your complaint. Before you file a complaint, determine whether you can resolve it with the responsible party. Gather facts before you report your complaint. You might have background information that could help us to address this. Who should you call? Don't feel discouraged if the first agency you contact refers you to another. Each agency has authority over specific activities and can only address those activities. Is what you want to report an emergency? This slide gives an idea of conditions that are generally considered to be emergencies and the agencies where you can report them. If you feel that the issue is an emergency, there are emergency numbers to call. The numbers are listed on slide 16. What if someone is dumping dirt, debris, or trash? Is it clean fill? Clean fill can contain concrete and asphalt rubble, concrete block, bricks, and most soil and dirt. The area may need erosion controls, and the fill shouldn't be in an area that is typically wet. What isn't clean fill? Wood, construction debris, brush, landscape and mowing trimmings, metal, plastic, milled asphalt, and bagged trash. If you want to report dumping of dirt, debris, or trash, start locally. You can report an existing dump to someone at the municipal office or to DEP or health department. If you witness someone dumping trash, get as much information as you can and report it to the police or other local official. Don't approach or confront someone who is dumping trash. Your safety is important. What if someone is cutting down a large number of trees? Trees are personal property, and people can cut down their trees. Trees will be cut down and removed from construction sites and from timber harvest activities. Both activities require erosion and sediment controls. You can report this to a local official, the Conservation District, or to DEP. The stream on my property causes erosion. No one wants to see their property wash away. Erosion is a natural process which can be accelerated because of other activities along the stream. Please contact DEP or your conservation district before you do any corrective work on the stream. DEP's guide has information about the things you can do to maintain streams on your property. My neighbor put in a crossing, a retaining wall, or dumped dirt and rock in a wet area or next to the stream. Report this to DEP or to your local conservation district. Mud from a construction site is on the road or in a stream. If you see that mud left a construction site, you can report it to your conservation district. You can also report mud on a street to your local officials if the mud creates hazardous driving conditions. We can't require anyone to enter your property to repair damage. This would be considered a civil matter and is between you and the business who caused the damage. Who should you call if you think that runoff from a development is causing downstream problems? Direct questions about stormwater management to your local municipality. If you're having a problem with runoff from an active construction site, call your conservation district or DEP. Someone is going to develop land near my property and it will cause runoff, flooding, and damage to my property. We understand when you hear that a piece of property might be developed and might cause problems to your property. Unfortunately, we can't help you if no one has submitted plans to us. We keep your concerns in mind if someone submits plans for the property. Someone is dumping manure. Call your conservation district or your township if you think that manure is causing a problem. Farming operations in Pennsylvania are required to have and implement written manure management plans or nutrient management plans. These plans are designed to prevent runoff from manure spreading and polluting surface and groundwater. Things to remember. We'll do all we can to resolve your complaint. If you file a complaint that we can't address, we'll try to find the correct organization who can address it for you. If you submit a complaint to us, we won't share your name or other identifying information. Let us make the investigations. We're trained to observe site conditions and to communicate with operators. You could be charged with trespass or be injured if you enter someone's property without permission. We can't authorize you to enter private property and will not include you on an inspection. We won't meet with you immediately before or after an inspection in order to keep your identity confidential. We don't have the authority to require someone to repair damage on your property. Thank you for attending, and I hope the information was valuable. Please email me if you have any questions. Please check our website for other available webinars, presentations, and digital materials that we'll be developing in the coming year. Thank you.